Project
Nigel. Today's Saturday. I know that. You know that. Let's not talk about it any further. So, what are we doing today? That's the question. And the answer is I don't really know just yet. But who cares? I make videos for people who know that tenetum is a real word. Yes, it's about time I had a Project Nigel day. Now, it's not been washed for quite a while, so that's one thing. Not been washed, not been cleaned out on the inside, so it's getting a bit embarrassing now. But more than this, it's time I finally sorted out this. That needs fixing, and I'm going to either fix it today or replace that bench. Rear seats not engaging is quite a common problem on these 25s and ZRs, of course, and I think it's a relatively easy fix. I'm hoping it's a relatively easy fix. Yes, I am, because I don't want to end up making it worse. Well, it can't be worse than not working, can it? But I could spend ages trying to fix it and get nowhere. That's more my style. So here's my Nigel box, and I do have a replacement catch in here. Inside the boot is probably the best place to access the back seat best without actually taking it out, and I don't want to take it out unless I have to. So what I need to do is, I mean, that's already unpicked somehow, I don't know why I didn't do it. Unpick this lot here, which is fairly easy actually, and it's probably a lot easier than putting it back together again. And the catch is behind there. I was hoping to be able to do this without removing the headrest. Doesn't sound like a big issue, but these headrests are fixed in. You've got to remove the little clips to get them out. They're removed. Not one of Rover's best design efforts, I don't think. And that gives you access to the catch in the back there, which is still a bit awkward. And really the easiest way would be with the seat out or through the window. Well, this is rather irritating. I've got the thing out, and now it's out of the seat. It's working. Well, it was doing just then. Yeah, pull that, and it unlocks. Push that down, and it locks. Why? Why is it working now? I'm not bothered about it working now. I've taken it out. That's quite disappointing, because it means that if I fit the other one, that might not work either. It might just have something to do with the catch on there. Oh, well, I'm going to fit the new one anyway. Makes sense, doesn't it? Yeah. I am on my way home already. I'm not going home early. I just didn't do any more videoing because there wasn't any more videoing to do. I felt sure that 2.5 hours. Oh, hang on, not 2.5 hours. More like 3.5 hours actually. Sure, I got down here at 10:30. Would be long enough to do what I wanted to do. Well, I decided what I was going to do when I got here. But all I've managed to do that back seat is secure it. I put the other catch in there, and sure enough, it didn't work. So what I've had to do is put the catch on and then bolt it to the seat. I then put the seat cover over the top of it. So that's a bit of an odd way of doing it. So at least it's secure, but it means I'm unlikely to actually put the seat down in any rush. Other jobs for today then. Sorted out Craig's shopping list. Tip. Clean the car? No. Wash the car? No. Change the clock? No. Add a cup of tea? Yes. That's going to be super tasty, and that's going to be okay. But that's going to be super tasty. That's going to be super tasty, and that one's going to be okay. That's going to be super tasty, and that one's okay. And that one's going to be super tasty.